In this video, I'm going to be revealing so much about Oshita Iyeme, the popular Nigerian actor who is very versatile in acting. And I'm going to be showing you so much about him that you probably don't know about. But if you are new to our channel, please ensure to subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button. And also don't forget to bell the notification bell for more updates whenever we drop new videos. You can follow us on Instagram at HejiMozi, EJIMOZY. But without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Oshita Iyeme, popularly known as Popo, is a famous Nollywood comic actor, producer, motivational speaker, entrepreneur, comedian, and a television personality. He is a baby dwarf and acts mostly as a kid back then in several Nollywood movies due to his small stature and physical appearance. He was born on February 20, 1982 in Mabatoli local government area of Imo State in the southeastern part of Nigeria, and currently as of 2021 he is 39 years old. Oshita Iyeme attended both his primary and secondary school education in Owerri, Imo State, in the southeastern part of Nigeria, where he obtained both his first school leaving certificate and West African Senior School certificate. After completing his primary and secondary school education, Oshita Iyeme proceeded to the Lagos State University, also known as LASU, and graduated with a bachelor's degree in theatre arts. Oshita Iyeme professionally joined the Nigerian movie industry, popularly known as Nollywood, in 2000, and rose to fame in 2003 after starring in the Nollywood blockbuster movie Aki and Popo, a comedy movie he starred alongside with Chinedu Ikedieze, where he played the role of Popo. The movie brought him to the limelight and made him a global figure. In 2007, Oshita Iyeme received the Lifetime Achievement Award at the African Movie Academic Award. He has also been described as one of the best actors of his generation and also one of the Nigerian's most famous comic actors. He has also been described as one of the richest and most influential actors in Nigeria. Oshita Iyeme is the founder of a powerful non-governmental organization known as Inspired Movement Africa, a movement set aside to inspire and stimulate the mind of young Nigerians, both home and abroad. In 2011, Oshita Iyeme received a national award by the Nigerian federal government as a member of the Order of the Federal Republic, MFR, which happens to be the highest award and honor given to a celebrity in Nigeria who has contributed immensely to the economic growth and development of the country through entertainment. In 2014, Oshita Iyeme received an award for Best Actor in Nigeria at the Africa's Magic Viewers' Choice Award. He is also the New Generation Ambassador for Rotary International and the author of an inspirational book titled Inspired 101. Oshita Iyeme, in the course of his acting career, has acted in over 350 movies. He has acted in movies like Aki and Ukwa, Jadon, Stubborn Flies, Boys from Holland, Forgive Me Father, The Billionaires, Baby Police, Mr. Ibu, and so many others. His small size figure makes him to stand out among other actors and made him a unique actor. Oshita Iyeme has been described as one of the most sought after actors in Nigeria and also one of the most influential and most talented actors in Nigeria. Oshita Iyeme, aside from acting, is also a serial investor and a philanthropist. He has several businesses and involves himself in real estate investments. He also has a charity organization, a foundation and non-governmental organization NGO, which is aimed at helping and assisting physically challenged and displaced people. Back in 2015, the popular Nollywood actor known as Popo made the headlines as he announced to be making preparation for his wedding. Many years down the line, many people still wonder whether he's married or not, whether he had this secret wedding or not. But as of 2021, Oshita Iyeme is currently not married as many had assumed him to be. There is also no proof of the actor being previously married to any woman, as the actor seems to stay clear from questions that relate to his private life. In 2017, it was reported that the comic actor got married to a Ghanaian actress, Nana MC Brown. However, after several months, it all boiled down to another social media rumor. The actor, who usually keeps his private life away from the media, doesn't seem to be in a hurry to take that huge leap. The rumor about Oshita's marriage sprang from a Nigerian website that created some content about his relationship with MC Brown. And while they both kept mute about the rumor, it was later confirmed that the Harbour-raised actor is still single and doesn't have a wife yet. Meanwhile, MC Brown is currently married to her longtime boyfriend, Maxwell Mawu Mensah, and the couple welcomed their daughter in February 2019. Oshita has also been linked to a lady called Noma. While the Nigerian actor is yet to confirm or refute the claims, further search about the lady has proved abortive. Iyeme, like a normal Nigerian man, says he prefers a woman who is God-fearing and very intelligent.
The senior striker is here to play his penalty. Can he score the goal? Let's watch and see. Goal! The top line!
Rinkedu, Miracuda, Nata Nata Nata, Mese Nata Nata, it's the body mini Miracuda, it's the body mini Miracuda, yo yo, yo yo, yo 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 yo. Destinambari, oh Destinambari, Efinia, Destinambari, oh Destinambari.
La la, la la, la 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 la. Ujete linne, balu sete li. Si pushun nahi ya hinne, nahi. Dekho na.
Aya.
Oh, hey, me. Oh, hey, me. Oh, hey, me.
Ba abin da za ka yi, ba abin da za ka yi, ba abin da za ka yi, kucur maboro ba abin da za ka yi bare. What's gonna be, gonna be. What goes up must come down. What's gonna be, is gonna be. There's nothing you can do about it. The 30 song is coming out. It's good. Oh, don't finish.
Oshita Iyeme is currently one of the richest and most influential actors in Nigeria and is estimated to be around a net worth of about $3.6 million. So what are your thoughts about him? What do you think about Oshita Iyeme? Which of his movies has inspired you? Which of his movies do you like? Comment in the comment section, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Also don't forget to bell the notification bell for more updates on when I will drop new videos. You can follow us on Instagram at HejiMuzi, EJIMUZY. So thanks for watching. Bye for now. See you in our next video.